Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to Nifty 50, Nifty 500 and market risk discussion with SD. मैं हूं SD Shanandu Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. So let's start. If you want to follow me, you can reach out to me by going into my X profile, or if you want, you can follow me in going by my website. In my website, if you click the live insights, it will take you to my YouTube channel where you will find lot of good quality playlists to learn about global markets. You can follow me in X. This is my X profile that was previously known as Twitter. So let us start our discussion. We'll apply the Nifty chart and we'll go to the weekly chart. पहले वीकली चार्ट पे चले जाएंगे एंड फर्स्ट वी आर टेकिंग नोट ऑफ द रिस्क सिचुएशन क्या है मार्केट में. So I'll open the risk master first, which will show me the level of market risk, which is quite significantly on the higher side. काफी high है market risk. इसको थोड़ा छोटा कर दिया. It is showing global equity risk master, जो basically show करता है कि ओवरऑल इक्विटी एसेट क्लास के ऊपर कितना प्रेशर है, हाउ मच रिस्क देयर इज, एंड इट इज हाई, वेरी हाई एंड सस्टेन्ड टर्मोइल. ये जो डाउन मूव इट कैन बी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड मोर सस्टेन्ड. इंडिया स्पेसिफिक रिस्क also remains on the higher side when we looking at the weekly chart. Then we'll apply the risk master on the daily chart. Daily chart, it is still pretty bad for the overall equity markets. India risk is better. Previously they were all red, so India बेहतर हुआ है, but overall risk remains significantly on the higher side. अब हम लोग 125 minutes chart में observe करेंगे. 125 minutes chart better, but कंफ्यूजन एंड बी कॉशियस होने के लिए वार्निंग आ रहा है स्टेडीली एंड काफी हाई. इवन ओवरऑल इक्विटी मार्केट का रिस्क हायर साइड में है इवन इन 125. थोड़ा बेहतर हुआ. इट इज बेटर देन प्रीवियसली इट वाज फुल्ली रेड, नाउ टू येलो दिख रहा है. एंड फॉरवर्ड रिस्क मेजर विच इज शोज बेसिकली इंडिया रिस्क मीटर के अंडर फॉरवर्ड रिस्क मेजर बेसिकली दिखाता है आगे जाके कितना रिस्क है. दैट इज ड्रॉडाउन रिस्क इज राइजिंग फॉर टाइम ahead of us. So now the risk master is done. We'll go back once again to the weekly chart and we'll apply basically the asset master, and asset master के साथ we'll want the RSI X. Overall situation is not healthy. कंसोलिडेशन होने का चांस काफी बढ़ा हुआ है. 64% चांस इट विल कंसोलिडेट. प्रेफर्ड ट्रेड्स रिमेन्स वीकली चार्ट सेल ब्रेकडाउन एंड सेल रेजिस्टेंस. मार्केट इज स्टिल significantly bearish. It reached an important level and now going for a correction, as I can see from the green socks on the candle. If we look at the candles closely, we will see green socks. That means tough fight is going on between the bulls and the bears. Now we'll look at the daily chart. Daily chart, let's see what can we figure out in the daily chart. Overall sell-off pressure has come down. That part is clear. Market is moving into more consolidation phase. I can see the overall bullish power has increased to 6. Whereas bear power is 5. Bearish factor that I call is 5 factor bearish है 12 में से, and 6 factor is bullish out of 12. So somewhat एक mixed picture दिख रहा है. On the above side resistance 23,000 area to 23,100 will act as a strong resistance. This Nifty का path, upside path open हो चुका है, but not very soon. Unless April beginning we may not start to see the significant अगर upside. मतलब we can't say कि ये ऊपर ही जाएगा, ये कह नहीं पा रहा है, but definitely एक probability path यहाँ से जा रहा है, and that would be very good. Means Nifty will have a bigger chance to challenge this 25,000. So it is not pretty bad always. Continuous path evolve होते जाता है market में. Let's look at the 125 minutes chart, which is more short term swing. ये expected था, हम लोग discuss कि if you look at my last video, I expected कि there will be a correction towards this 350 area, and now it will be the challenge that it needs now to break above these resistance. ये जो resistance area है इसको तोड़ना पड़ेगा अब bulls को, तब जाके this upside probability towards this 23,100 to 23,200 area will open up. So these are important levels, and of course in case somewhere in the middle level is around 300. So these are the broad levels. So यहाँ पे it is now corrected, market has corrected, and now in the upcoming session it will be important कि now the bulls can recover. तब जाके निफ्टी में we will, in the daily chart we will see a buy signal. Now what we will do, we will take a look at the option master. First of all, option master improvements RS soon. Let's look at some of the option trades that is going on right now. Is more of a bull put spread, means bullish ही expect कर रहे हैं. आज एक strangle भी open था, now it has closed. Hedge triangle it was open. Now it is more of a bull put spread, मतलब we are expecting market gradually to move higher. But ऐसा नहीं कह पाएंगे कि it is over. Market में risk अभी भी quite on the higher side. Now what I will do, will finally take a look at the Nifty 500 charts as well as small cap, mid cap. So Nifty 500 chart बेहतर होता है to understand stocks, and उनको हम लोग देखेंगे in the daily and the weekly chart. Still not good enough, but एक important correction पे market आ चुका है. Very very important correction is going on, but further down move का risk remains very very high. I don't think it is unlikely, difficult to say, but unlikely कि Nifty 500 can cross 21,800 to 22,000 area. Looks like more long-term bearishness in Nifty 500 chart. If we look at the daily chart, we have taken a quick look at the daily chart. Now we'll take a quick look at the small cap daily chart. Still not bullish enough, important correction definitely, same as other charts. Similarly for mid cap, still not bullish enough. So ESA situation may, yeah, some of the stocks will probably do well. Kindly note, this is not a recommendation, because first rule of risk management कि किसी का सुन के ट्रेड बिल्कुल नहीं लेना चाहिए. But there are stocks which are showing strength, जो strength show कर रहे हैं, but ऐसे opportunities कम होते जा रहे हैं धीरे धीरे, and the risk of them failure होने का risk काफी on the higher side. So even this kind of market में situation में, even though some stocks you may get good, but overall quantity management, like lower quantity maintenance, will be a good idea. Market is overall, broad market is still not bullish. In fact, broad market is quite bearish still. अभी भी काफी bearish है broad market. So आप लोग ध्यान लगा के participate कीजिएगा. I hope my video discussion was helpful to you. अगर help हुआ, don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.